guys.
Wait, not yet. Now.
Hi guys. I'm gonna do some pig impressions. And right? Nate's gonna say something at the end.
Don't tell them that. Just do it.
I just gonna do it. Okay. These are my pig impressions.
Do it louder. 3 more times. Do it in front of the camera.
Bad.
Say thank you.
Thank you.
Okay. In the comments, I want you to write if Kaya's pig impressions were good, write good, and then write something like a really comment that's not good or not good. So
I'm gonna be a pig. What?
you were doing this.
I'm a pig.
Okay, so
I can do it.
in the comments write like or dislike in the comments, and then if you say like, okay, then after you write like or good or dislike, then write something like they really did sound like a pig, or if you didn't like it, they kind of did but not that much. So that's all you have to do. Let's be Kaya the pig. I don't sound like a pig. That sounded like a pig. Do this again.
You gotta stop laughing.
Mom, say hi to the camera.
Hi.
Mom, Dad, say hi to the camera.
Hi.
Nate, I gotta tell you something.